How to set up automated invoices with manual payment. When using the manual payment option for recurring invoices, invoices will be automatically generated and sent to your client according to your schedule, but they will need to pay each one manually. Let's walk through the setup process. Start by creating a new invoice and selecting the client you want to set it up for. In the Invoice Creation menu, switch the toggle from one-time to recurring. Most of the fields you'll fill out are the same as for a one-time invoice. From the payment authorization, select Manual Payment of Invoice. Here's the key difference with recurring invoices. You'll need to define the number of recurrences and set the schedule, including the start date. Once you've completed all the details, click Create. Your client will receive a notification each time an invoice is issued, but they won't see it as part of a recurring series. Each invoice will appear as a standalone item, requiring manual payment just like a regular invoice. A new one will be sent according to your schedule, and this cycle will continue until all scheduled invoices are issued. Back in your firm portal, head to the Recurring Invoices page. You'll see the active invoice listed there. Since the client doesn't need to approve it, it remains active automatically. Here you can view the amount of the scheduled invoice, the balance, how much the client still owes, the next payment date. If you open the specific invoice and scroll down, you'll see the payment schedule. From here, you can edit individual invoice dates, add or remove items, and modify invoice amounts if needed.